Online learning has been on the ascent in recent years, because of the comfort, convenience, cost, and accessibility it offers in contrast to traditional education. This development has become relevant due to the coronavirus pandemic, which has forced the universities and schools across the world to remain shut. Online learning is sort of an electronic learning which delivers education through the internet instead of the conventional classroom. Even though learning happens through online activities, students need to complete tests and assignments to assess their knowledge. Why is it popular? Online learning is independent and learning can happen from anywhere and everywhere. This adaptability makes education accessible to the individuals. Learning online has innumerable advantages which are contributing to people picking it over traditional education. Expand your learning. Tailor your timetable to explore learning. For instance, if you work better at the early hours of the day, you can study in the morning. Online learning uses visual communications like videos, infographics and animations which will improve your retention power. Makes education accessible. Be it a working employee or a fresh graduate out of the college, online learning is easy to access. It allows the flexibility to learn at the free time. You don't have to worry about rushing to an institution during the busy hour of the day. It helps you learn from the comfort of your home. Learn at your own pace. In more conventional education, a lecturer will frequently overwhelm you with data. It tends to be hard to attempt and process the ideas and concepts without going away and investing some time trying to decipher notes. Advantages of online learning permit you to teach yourself and subsequently take the time required to grasp ideas before proceeding. It won't just guarantee that you completely comprehend what you are learning. However, you are acquiring the most out of your education. Career opportunities. Online learning admits you to be autonomous. You are exclusively responsible for your learning. It compels you to improve your time management skills since you need to coordinate your study time. Having the option to exhibit that you had the opportunity to take ownership while responding to inquiries during a job interview is an opportunity to explore multitasking. Focusing and committing to something and seeing it through until the end is a trait that is desirable to numerous employers. It shows that you are dedicated and self-motivated, which is an essential to survive the corporate competition. For what reason is it future of modern learning? More universities are presently using online platforms in their teaching. Students who prefer traditional education are partaking in virtual learning, by using tools like Moodle, Board, etc. Hence, if universities are already incorporating this into a customary traditional education, it will improve the student's performance. There will be a place for traditional, classroom-based teaching strategy. However, it is getting progressively incorporated with online learning. Keeping in mind that it is practically impossible to foresee what directions technology will take us into, online learning importance is set to turn into a noteworthy part of learning institutions worldwide.